name is Carmen. I'm a DevOps Engineer at ING. And today I'm going to share with you my personal journey on conquering my fears, fighting with my struggles, and in the end, getting the Captain Kubernetes rank. As most of you know, or if you don't know, you'll find out, the Linux Foundation offers us the possibility to get 3 different Kubernetes ranks. Security, because someone needs to protect the ship. Application developer, because someone needs to improve the ship. And administrator, the captain, because someone needs to be in charge. For the past 5 years, I've been tasked multiple times to take the helm, run a Kubernetes ship, or build a new one. I cannot tell you how many times I used to second-guess myself. I was not sure of my decisions. I had no idea what I was doing. So I thought, maybe if I get an official rank, that will help boost up my confidence. It took me 5 years to build up the courage, because I did not think I would pass the test. But one day I said to myself, OK, it's time to embark on this journey. You need to know where your Kubernetes level is at. Like any good sailor, I charted the course and set up some targets. But that's not enough, right? This journey is not just about the technical part. It requires a lot of discipline, and not to mention motivation. But let's take a look at my great plan. So out of 1 month, I spent 2 weeks studying, 2 weeks, 8 hours per day dedicated to study. I followed the Code Cloud training. I recommend it. It comes with practice tests and mock exams, and Code Cloud is actually an official training partner. Then I had to take 2 days time off to make sure I'm not overloading my brain. Then I came back and practiced some more. In between my job and my personal life, I went over every scenario in Killer Coda, and I also installed Minikube and used it to practice. After all this, I said, OK, I'm ready. Let's activate the simulator. So what do I mean by this? Well, when we purchase the exam, we get 2 sessions of 36 hours each with a real exam simulator. In that way, we get to experience the exam conditions, but the simulator is way harder than the actual exam, so don't let it scare you off. Instead, practice. I used these 2 sessions in the days prior to the exam. It really helped me understand what my weaknesses and strong points are. Finally, as expected, the day when I had to face my fears arrived. I was overwhelmed, and I had lots of emotions. But after a few minutes into the exam, I realized, well, it's not that difficult. Because I practiced. Yes, that's the key to success. Practice, 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 and again, practice. I cannot emphasize this enough. I could not have done this without my support group, so make sure you have your friends nearby in case you feel down. Kubernetes networking can ruin you. Talk to other people who have gone through this journey. They will help you to keep focus. Try to avoid looking at how others answered the questions. Instead, do it yourself. And if you don't know how to answer a question, that's fine. You can use the documentation. It's going to be your only friend during the exam, and your best friend afterwards. Now, with the captain rank in my hands, I can tell you that I feel more confident. Stormy waters don't scare me anymore. I know what I have to do, and I know how to consult my chart. And most importantly for me is that I fought every scary thought I had, and I succeeded. If you didn't go through this journey yet, I suggest you do. You'll learn a lot about yourselves, from a technical perspective, but also from an emotional one. Thank you.